In ArtiosCAD 7.7, we continue to improve the integration between ArtiosCAD and CAPE. We have a corrugated box here. At the end of production, we will have to put them on a pallet and ship them to another location. This is where the integration between ArtiosCAD and CAPE becomes very interesting. What we can do in ArtiosCAD, we can choose a pallet that we will need to use. This is a list of pallets that is mapped from the CAPE application. And we can identify some settings like what should be the maximum height of a pallet and a maximum weight. When that is all clear, we can push that information and automatically CAPE will be launched, takes in the information and will suggest us some pallet schemes. We can browse to some different options until we found the best solution. When this is done, we can export this pallet scheme back to ArtiosCAD and a 3D view of a full pallet is shown to us. We can also start this procedure from CAPE. So I will close the ArtiosCAD files and launch CAPE. In the CAPE application, we can create a pallet group, which is launched now. And in here we can create new packaging. We can select a pallet type or pack type. This is a list of different kind of packaging. It can be mapped to an ArtiosCAD standard. For instance, FEV code 204. We will adjust some settings like the ball thickness, 3 mm, which will match the P-flute in ArtiosCAD. And we can set length, width and depth of the corrugated box. Like this. So when the information is known in CAPE, we can calculate this to make a choice of what pallet scheme we want to use, and then we can export this to ArtiosCAD. As a result, you will notice that the ARD file is generated by the information that came from CAPE. And if I convert this to 3D and do the palletization design, the pallet scheme is also known from the CAPE choice. So this way it is very easy to export and import information